Okay everybody, so I'm on the first floor and I'm just about getting ready to start it, and first thing we need to do is cover the floors to preserve that carpet. So like I'd mentioned, we ended up changing the plan from the carpet shield and going with Ramboard. Even though it is considerably more expensive, it appears that everybody likes it better, and so that's what we're going to do. Alright, and I'll just let you guys know right now, I like the product a lot more than the carpet shield. It's way easier to clean, it's more durable, but yes indeed it is more expensive. So with that being said, let me get this flooring down and I will start prepping the walls and taking care of things like that right there. Fixing those blisters when we pull the wallpaper off of the wall. It damaged a decent amount of board. So those are the things I'm going to do today. I'll get back with you after I get the floor on. Alright everybody, I'm going to just cut the band. I'm going to roll this thing out. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is. Okay, it takes way less energy than the carpet shield. I love carpet shield, but at the same time, I like how easy and fast this is. Like I said, it's more expensive, but it's way more durable and it's worth every penny of it. So all I do is just basically roll it out like this. I bump it over a little bit with my foot just to keep it straight. And then, boom. Super simple. Super simple. Nothing to it but to do it. So I'm getting a little bit off track, and so the deal with me is that I'm just going to bump it over just to straighten it out. Can you okay. Yeah, this is how you can tell when the walls are a little wavy when you roll the stuff out. Some of it is tight and other areas it ain't, but it's the nature of the wood beast. So now that I'm here at the end, I'm basically just going to cut it down to size. I want it cut right there. Got my finger on it. Take my knife. And then duct tape that right there. So that's how I do that. Alright, if you guys love using this product or you like this video, by all means, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Have a blessed day.